Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today is the 1st of October, and this is going to be a summary of the month of September, how it went, and just a commentary over it as well as how my trades went. So, first of all, September was a tricky month. We had this massive up move initially, Bank Nifty heading to all-time high against global weakness, and initially people called it a bear market rally, but then you had to give up at some point and say that no, something people like something's changed about India. We don't know what it is, but there is something going on, and that's why markets are heading higher. After that, nobody would have expected 17,000 to break on the downside, but we smashed past that level, and that entire narrative of decoupled it didn't age well. It didn't last very long. So definitely tricky side for sure. My unrealized P&L on equity. So my buy prices are from 21st of April last year. At one point during the month, it had gone up to plus 70, and from there it has corrected back down simply because the markets have sold off. So at this point, my equity holdings changes my account value curve much more than what my trading does. So it has reached that kind of situation. I'm still on about I think 30% cash and debt, and I posted on Twitter yesterday as to how I'm going to infuse more cash because look, unlike other investors, I like it when markets correct, and the deeper they go, the better it is because I'm going to keep investing all my life, right, until I retire or decide, okay, I'm just not going to do money generating work anymore. So that gives me good time to accumulate. Whenever there's weakness in the market, I will buy, and I'll buy in such a way that I'll never run out of cash to buy. Like I will never go to zero in terms of cash holding, so that I can always buy more. As long as you're buying the right things, it's perfectly fine. So we'll get into the F&O performance. Um, So first of all, here's one more thing. So I don't understand why on zero that I understand that there's a lot of rows and a lot of orders. Why can't I download this? Like it always breaks. It's just not possible. Uh, I mean, supposedly tech leaders, but they can't seem to get their back end side right. So I'll get just into September. So this is the September performance situation. It says unrealized profit of 18,000. That's because I'm holding a reverse calendar position. So this is the position that I'm holding. I'm experimenting with this trade. This trade has an 8% probability of profit. So I'm experimenting with this trade, doing some stuff. So that's what is showing up here. And yeah, this is the performance. Now I will go over exactly what is the situation in this financial year. If I get into from, okay, let's go year to date first. So year to date, first 3 months were excellent. Jan, Feb, March, excellent, really good months. April, May, June, if you tally these three together, the net on the account is zero. I made absolutely no money here because I was taking a considerable amount of risk because these 3 months were going well. So I continued to take higher risks over here, and that didn't work out so well. I did not make any money simply because I had a higher risk appetite. Now, then in the month of July, August, I realized I need to have a very low tolerance for risk, which is why I then started slowly cutting my risk appetite. And that's how August and September have been fairly all right vis-a-vis the risk that I've taken. So I'll just get into it. Okay, so I want you to see here my losing days. On this day, I've lost 81,000. On this day, I've lost 1,32,000. On this day, I've lost 38,000. Here, I've lost 73,000. And here I've lost 31,000. So my goal in this current environment where I've found that my style of trading is not reaping any benefits is to keep my risk abysmally low. I will take very little risk. It's okay if I miss some opportunities, but I will not allow the market to take even a little bit more. I would have kept a little higher risk appetite if there was sense in doing it. When things were going well, I kept a higher risk appetite. That kind of backfired, but that's understandable because things were going well. Then I cut my risk appetite, and now again, month of August and September, things have started to stabilize. Of course, it's nowhere near how things used to be. But what I will do now is going forward, I will now start considering taking slightly incremental risks, especially when the opportunity presents itself. So there are in this month, what has happened is I've kept my risk abysmally low, and when there was opportunity, I have tried my best to capitalize on that. I've not been able to capitalize on it fully, but I'm still happy given the risk appetite I had, how much I was able to convert. So going forward, month of October, I am considering that previously I had scaled down my size and I've reached this very nice comfort zone around 20,000 shares. I will once again start increasing it to 25, 30, and so on and so forth, based on what opportunities are available. So that is something that I'm open to doing again. Once again, if that backfires at some stage, like let's say I go to 25 and I go to 30, and once again I find that okay, it's not worth trading 30,000 in this current sizing that way in this current market environment, I will come back down also step by step. So that is more or less going to be the idea. So that's about it. That is the summary. I'll go over the charges as well. My charges are slightly higher because I'm running algos, and in the testing phase, I was punching way too many orders. I had too strict a criteria on them, and I was more or less and load testing to see if it would be able to punch that many orders the way I wanted to. So, yeah, this is the brokerage and the rest of the charges, right? So that's about it. I hope you had an excellent September and wish you all the best for October. I will catch you in the next one. Take care. Bye.